Ephesians 5:15 and 16. Ang sabi dito, be very, very careful then how you live. Not as unwise, but as wise. Making the most of every opportunity because the days are evil. And it's a very clear warning, strong warning in fact. Strong warning because the days are evil. We need to be very careful with our lives. And this command is given in relation to the reality that the world around us is filled, or the world itself is filled with so much evil and wickedness. And we should not allow ourselves to be tempted and to be carried away by the ways of the world. Yung mga makamundong mga bagay at pamamaraan. Ang sabi niya, be wise, be careful how you live. Therefore, sabi dito, do not be foolish, but understand what the will of the Lord is. We need to seek God's will and do it sa ating mga buhay.